Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Terekhol Bridge without Panchayat NOC falls in CRZ1 no development zone. But GSIDC says necessary permissions taken, nothing illegal. Goa receives heavy rain showers, rainfall due to depression in Arabian Sea. Met Department predicts rain for few more days. No threat of cyclone yet. Government to burden mining industry with more taxes. Rupees 10 per ton renewal fee. Increase in royalty from 10% to 15%. Order after mines director resumes duty. Big blow for FC Goa as marquee player Robert Pires faces two-match suspension. Atletico de Kolkata coach Antonio Habas and Fikru also suspended. And Goans looking for Diwali gift from FC Goa. Zico's boys take on FC Pune City on Sunday. FC Goa eye first victory in Indian Super League. Now the news in detail. Now Terekhol Bridge is in controversy yet again. There is chaos and confusion that Goa government is constructing Terekhol Bridge in CRZ1 zone without taking NOC from the Panchayat. Some of the NGOs have approached court claiming that bridge is built in no development zone. However, GSIDC says that everything is in purview of the law. All necessary permissions have been taken.
Terekhol is a ward of Keri village Panchayat in Mandre constituency. It consists of a population of about 350 having around 65 houses. The only connectivity to Terekhol is a ferry at Keri. In rainy season, ferry services get disturbed and Terekhol residents are completely cut off from Goa. Goa government proposed bridge at Terekhol river, but now construction of this bridge has raised many questions. Prudent visited the site after National Green Tribunal asked report from the Goa government. Now look at the discrepancies that we found. No objection certificate from Keri Panchayat is not taken. No consent of Goa State Pollution Control Board. The bridge falls under Coastal Regulation Zone 1 and it is marked as no development zone. After Goa Foundation approached the NGT, notices have been issued to all related state agencies as to why construction of the bridge should be not stayed. Managing Director of Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation informed that bridge area falls under Captain of Ports Department and they have the permission from the department. He also said that Coastal Zone Authority has not suggested any environment impact assessment study for the bridge.
We have obtained all permissions which are required. We have the Coastal Zone Management Authority permission. We have permission from the Captain of Ports Department. We have permission from the Town and Planning Department. All permissions are in place. You are right, there has been a petition filed in the NGT in Pune. We have been served with the petition. We will reply accordingly and we will face the court. Let the court decide whether all these permissions are adequate or some other permissions are yet to be taken. We will take it. Coastal Zone Authority has given us permission. They have not insisted on an EIA. There are various other bridges being built. We have not done an EIA on any of these bridges. But if EIA is required and the court mandates an EIA, we will do. We have been doing EIA on various other projects also. It is not that we are not doing EIAs. But here the EIA was not sought for.
For now, the bridge is marred in controversy as well as a legal battle in National Green Tribunal. GSIDC is confident that they will be able to give satisfactory reply to the NGT. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Goa received heavy rain showers for the last 2 days. This is mainly due to the depression in Arabian Sea. Met Department predicts rain for a few more days. This has affected normal life of the people and the tourists in the state. For now, there is no cyclone threat, but everyone is advised to be alert.
It's almost 2 days Goa is receiving continuous rainfall. Most of the parts of the state have witnessed heavy showers. Fortunately, no untoward incidents have been reported. However, people who were set to enjoy winter had to unpack their rainwear again. Met Department says that 22 milliliters rainfall has been recorded in last 24 hours. This is due to depression in Arabian Sea. Met Department has also predicted heavy rain showers during next 4 to 5 days.
State government is planning to extract more money from mining companies whose mining leases will be renewed. Chief Minister informally hinted that ₹10 per ton fee will be imposed on renewed leases. Royalty will be hiked from 10% to 15%. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar confirmed that state government cleared renewal of 13 mining leases. The remaining 7 leases will be renewed in the second phase. Chief Minister also cleared that fine will be imposed on those leases who have violated Rule 37 and 38 of MCR.
Goa government is going ahead with the renewal of mining leases who have paid stamp duty to the state government. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar confirmed that 13 mining leases will be renewed in the first phase. Renewal process of 13 mining leases is in final stage. Director of Mines and Geology Prasanna Acharya is out of station. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that the final order will be issued by the director once he joined duty. In second phase, 7 mining leases who have paid stamp duty will be renewed. Referring to the leases which violated Rule 37 and 38 of MCR, state government will impose fine on those leases. Sources inform that Dempo Company transferred leases to Seza Goa without permission of the state government. Hence, state government can take decision on transferred leases. Chief Minister, who is also Mines Minister, informally hinted that state will impose renewal fees for the mining leases. 10 rupees for extraction of 1 tons of iron ore, and the further fees will be increased year after year. Besides that, 15% royalty will be collected from the mining leases. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.